Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we will learn on how to create full approved ShareAsale account within few minutes. Click the link in the description video below to access ShareAsale sign up option. Fill your name password, repeated your password, then select your country. Once done, click Step 2 button. Here fill your website. Then select your website language. Click No options to all this options. Then click on Step 3. Here fill your valid email. Then click on Step 4. Fill all required information. Make sure you fill valid information. On Choose Payable to you can write any company like CPA Grip. On website description you may write what is your website about. It is important to write information that relate with affiliate marketing. To write precise descriptions you can use ChatGPT and ask it to write 50 words website description on affiliate marketing niche for instant approval on ShareAsale. Click No on the first option, then Yes to the second option. Lastly, click on Step 5 to continue. On Payment Method, click on Choose Later option, then click on Complete Sign Up. Agree to terms and conditions by putting ticks on 2 boxes, then click Complete Sign Up. You are done. ShareAsale will send confirmation email to your inbox. Check your Gmail inbox to check for account confirmation email. Once confirmed, wait for approval. Cross-check your account status by clicking on ShareAsale login page. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel to get more tips like this on time.